right here drives a Ryder truck, unknown for who. Hooked up to a Hyundai composite dry van trailer. Such a fucking pig. Sorry about the F word. Such a freaking pig. Typical dirtbag truckers. Yep, those are what they are. He threw them out the truck. I ain't having it. You want to be a dirtbag? Be a dirtbag at your own house. You want to throw your piss bottles all over the floor? Throw them all over the floor at your own house. This is where I park my truck. Every day. Day in, day out. You're not going to come here and be a dirtbag. I'll pick them up with gloves on, of course. Put them right on his step. Now I'm going to go knock on his truck and tell him where the garbage is. He's parked right here in the very first spot. And each fuel island has a garbage right at it. If not, the main garbage is right there. Let's see what he says. Your bottles, instead of throwing them out on the ground, either throw them in a trash can in your truck, or every fuel island's got a trash can, bro. I mean, I live here. I come here every day. Don't do this. This is a brand new truck stop. Yeah, he don't care. And as you see why. He don't give a rat's ass what he's gonna do. I guarantee it. He's gonna take them off of there, and when I leave, he'll probably put them on my truck. But that's all good, because I got his face, hopefully, and I'm gonna blast him on YouTube. Hopefully I got his face. I'm gonna get the front plate on the truck as I drive on by. My truck is dead. I had to come take the batteries out. Go get some new batteries, or just take them home and test them first. See if they're still okay to take a charge. It is a Ryder truck number 326636. I'm sure on slow-mo I can read that plate. Right now I'm freezing from trying to rip my batteries out. There's no name on that truck except for Ryder. Well, let's get her done.